Hello folks, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add Envato app in your Canva account. So first of all, open Canva and open any desired design you want. And after that you have to go over here on apps, click on it and type Envato on the search bar. Here is Envato. Now click on it and click on open. You can see there are many icons, photos. Now you have to connect your Envato account to Canva. After that you will be able to use these icons and photos. I don't have any subscription yet, but if you have one, you can connect it and add all these icons. That's it for the video.